How to fix we couldn't find a fingerprint sensor compatible with Windows Hello Fingerprint. So if you want to fix this problem, then the first thing you need to do is you need to search for services. Open up your services. Under services, you need to search for Windows Biometric Service. So go with W and then search for Windows Biometric Service. You just need to simply double click on it. And then here, if you have started the service, then you just need to simply click on stop and you need to stop the service. Once you stop the service, you just need to simply go with your files and go with this PC, local disk C, and then go with the Windows option and search for System 32. Under System 32, search for an option of WinBio plugins and search for the option of WinBio database. Double click on it and delete all the files that you have right here. So simply go with delete and remove the folder, and now you need to start the service again. Click on start and then go with the startup type as automatic and then go with the logon option. Under logon, make sure that you have selected this option, allow service to interact with desktop, and then click on apply and click on OK. Once you've done this, you need to restart your device. Simply go with restart option and restart your device. And once you've restarted, you need to go with the second option, which is device manager. Open up the device manager. Under device manager, you need to go with the biometric devices. And if you have biometric devices, then you just need to simply click on that and then choose the option of chip sailing fingerprint USB driver, and then you need to right click on it and update the driver. For example, I'll be showing you for this. Right click on it and then update driver. Once you've updated, you just need to go back and then open up your settings. Under settings, you need to go with Windows Update, which is on the bottom, and make sure that you have any updates. So click on updates, and if you have any updates, then you just need to simply go and update your Windows, and once you update it, your problem will be fixed. Or you can simply go back, right click on your start button, and then go with run. Under run, you need to search for gpedit.msc, hit the enter, and then go with the administrative templates. Under that, you need to go with Windows components, and under Windows components, you need to go and search for biometrics. And here on the right side, you need to go with allow the use of biometrics. Double click on it and then it will take you to the next window, and here you need to go with enabled. Once you click on enabled, now you need to go with apply and then click on OK, and that's it. After that, you need to again restart your computer, go with restart option, and again after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix we couldn't find a fingerprint sensor compatible with Windows Hello Fingerprint. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.